Hey, welcome back to Python MC. I'm your Python MC coach, Richard Ashe, and in this section we are going to get into functions. So here we go. So it starts with the keyword def. That's telling Python I'm creating a brand new function. I am teaching you a new bit of code. So def underscore intro. My parameters are name, DJ name, and hometown. So we'll show you how these are used. They're very similar to variables. They're sort of placeholders for something I'll do later. And so I'm going to go ahead and put in the 2 dots for the colon, just like for loops, while loops, conditionals, as well as functions. It starts with the first line, ends in a colon, and ends in those 2 dots. Okay, so I indent 4 spaces. And basically, I'm just doing like an intro, the MC at a show. The Python MC is going to be giving a shout out to the next DJ. So it says the first thing she's going to say is okay, here we go. And then she's going to say, how y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Then the next thing she's going to say is, okay, so let's see. In quotes, I'll say, I want you all to make some noise. And then the next statement is, let's see, let's see, let me put in the quotes, for, let's see, let's see, I don't want to say this. For the next MC on the mic. Yeah, that'll work. This starts to sound like an MC. So what is she going to say next? Let's see. It's going to be, we got, let's see. And then, okay, well, let me say it. Up next, we got, and then I'm going to put in the first parameter, which is very similar to a variable, which is just name, okay? We'll show you how it's actually used later. And then I'll say AKA, then I'm going to say DJ name. The AKA means also known as. And let's see, maybe I'll just type that out, also known as. And then I use the next parameter, DJ name. So you can see, like, I'm going to use name, DJ name, and hometown. The next thing I'm going to do is say, okay, coming all the way from, and then I'm going to use that hometown parameter. Okay. Very similar to variables. These are going to store a temporary value, but the difference is they're used specifically in functions to basically pass information. So you can use the same code to do the same thing, because MC is pretty much to say the same thing every time. Here the MC, she's saying, so everyone make some noise, and then and then DJ name again. So it's okay, how y'all doing? How you feeling? Up next we got the so-and-so, what her name is, also known as their DJ name, coming from their hometown, and everyone makes some noise for the DJ name. So I run that. It doesn't really do anything because I got to call it. And the way I call it is by using the function name, DJ underscore intro, that I just created, and then I'm going to pass it values. I'm going to pass it a name, Alex, and the DJ name, Diablo. And then let's see, the hometown's gonna be, let's say, from Brooklyn. Yeah. And then I'm gonna run the code. Okay. And then once I hit run, you're gonna see it says, okay, here we go. It says everything. Up next, we got Alex, also known as Diablo, coming all the way from Brooklyn. Everyone makes some noise for Diablo. So typical thing an MC is gonna say. So the next act that comes up, the MC is gonna say the same thing. But you don't have to rewrite the code. All you do is throw in different parameters, different values for the next performer. So this time the name is Ami, the DJ name is Dominique, and coming from, let's see, Queens, okay? So the MC is going to say the same thing she said the first time, but this time she's going to replace all those keywords, name, DJ name, and hometown, based on the parameters, based on whatever you pass it when you call the function. You simply call the function by saying the name and then inserting the values you want to use. It's almost like a Mad Lib or something like that, right? And so let's take a quick look at what this looks like in the Python visualizer. So we're going to go forward. You're going to see that it creates variables, name, DJ name, and Diablo. So it's going to create that in memory. and then it's going to use those once it prints it out. So you're going to say it's the same thing as the parameters I passed to it, and then I step forward. You see it goes line by line, top to bottom, and then it replaces that name with the actual name I passed to it with Alex, also known as Diablo, coming all the way from Brooklyn, so we want to make some noise for Diablo. So, and then it returns none because it doesn't have a return value. We'll get into that later. You got to get into it, have fun. We'll see you again on Python MC.